Here is a bad outlet that was overheated, so I am replacing this outlet with a new one. 20 amp to match the one that's currently in there. You also want to make sure that you have the power off. So this is an old tester. I have a newer one, but this one works just fine. You take this and plug in the positive and the negative into the outlet, and it will tell you if there's power by the center window with a little bar that rises up. And I already tested it. You want to make sure you turn off the power at the breaker box. You can also plug in an electrical appliance to make sure the power is off. So you take out the screws. I like using electric drills because it's so much quicker. And then you just pull out to get to the wires. In this case, these wires are in the back side. It varies with the outlet, or you can use the screws on the side. Sometimes you might be in a crowded outlet, so you just choose whichever one's easier for you. As you can see, there's a little difference in color. We will turn them to face the right way, but it will have the ground screw in the bottom, which would be the same as that. That's where I plug in the bare copper wire. You just keep in mind what side you had the wires on originally, because you do not want to crosswire them. So the new one is in here. You have the screws back into where they were originally found. So instead of using the battery operated drill at the final, I like to do a hand tightening of the 3 connections to make sure it's secure before putting it back in the outlet. So now it's all screwed back in together. We will test the power. So it's plugged back in, and we turn that on and it's not working. So you come to the panel. So in this case, the button that's red is the reset. So I hit reset, it clicked. Then we come back and we have power, so we are all set. Hopefully this helps you figure out wiring up an electrical outlet.